series where I feature one vegetable and 5 unique ways of preparing it. Let's begin with our first. Today, I want to teach you a quick and simple appetizer or as a side dish to your main, and these are my cauliflower tater tots. Yes, you heard right. Cauliflower in tater tots, but no potato. And then to the bowl of flaxseed, we're gonna add in the 1/4 cup of warm water. And now it's time to bake them for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cheesy. This simple cauliflower tater tot recipe is a great way to get your veggies in. We're going to be making a Chinese green onion pancake, but with a little bit of twist. We're actually going to be using rice cauliflower as the base of it to decrease the amount of carbohydrates. Let's get started. And there you have it, a simple twist to a Chinese scallion pancake, but this version is nice and low carb and packed with cauliflower. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. I want to share with you a quick summer salad recipe that takes a spin on a Middle Eastern couscous salad. Instead of couscous, we'll be using rice cauliflower to keep it low carb and naturally gluten-free. Let's get started. As that, less than 5 minutes and you have a beautiful curried couscous salad. We're going to be making a taco meat filling, but with a little bit of a twist. We're going to volumize the typical meat filling with some riced cauliflower. Let's begin. Now if you want to make this vegetarian, which you could, you can actually use the Garden beef crumbles or meat substitute in place of the ground bison that I have in here. And there you have it. Simple, volumized taco meat filling. Just like typical fried rice, with cauliflower fried rice, you can add whatever ingredients you like. First, we'll need some rice cauliflower. Over here, I have some leftover minced pork, corn, carrots, chives, and a piece of frozen ginger root, which will add a ton of flavor. I'm also gonna add in a sprinkle of my everything but the bagel sesame seasoning because it tastes good on everything. Let's get started. In less than 5 minutes, you have cauliflower fried rice. Feel free to add in whatever ingredients you have or leftovers. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, and if you have a vegetable that you want me to feature, make sure you comment below. And until next time, relish